Important questions of language across the curriculum. Question 1. Explain the need for understanding the language background of the learner and the methods involved in it. Question 2. Examine the relationship between language and culture. 3. Examine the way of developing spoken language and written language in the classroom. 4. What is the meaning of subject mastery? 5. What are the difference between communication and language? 6. Explain multilingualism in classroom and the issues in it. 7. Discuss the difference between acquisition of the first and second language. 8. Explain the barriers in classroom communication. 9. Bring out the importance of mother tongue in classroom teaching. 10. Explain the importance of oral language in classroom. 11. What are the two approaches in language teaching? 12. List the factors that affect reading comprehension. 13. Explain the theories of language, mention its benefits. 14. Explain the educational implication of language. 15th. Mention the ways and means of improving classroom interaction during language teaching. 16. Explain the process of writing with the steps involved in it. 17th. Explain the challenge in teaching language in a multicultural classroom. 18. Explain the nature and strategies for reading comprehension in content area. 19th. Explain the process of reading in the content area and steps involved in it. 20. Write a short note on multilingualism. 21. Explain the concept of bilingualism. 22. Explain the schema theory and describe with its help the process of cognitive development that takes place in children. 23. Explain the reading strategy for note taking. 24. Explain the strategies for developing oral language in the classroom that promote learning in the subject. 25. Explain with example the nature and type of questions asked by the teacher in the classroom. 26. Explain briefly the view of various education commissions set up in the Free India regarding the language policy to be followed in education. These are the important questions which are asked in the B.Ed examination for above 5 years. Please make use of it and write your exam very well.